do I know I have to leave? It happened 5 years ago. It's kind of like universal sound. I don't know how to say that, but suddenly I think I have to move out. In 5 years later, I will live in a place that I want to live for longer. And then I wrote it in a piece of paper. I try to ignore that sound, I have to go out. I also, as a young age, it's very important for us to gain or have more experiences, professional or other things that support our skills, life skills like soft skill and hard skills. In 2 years, I tried to find the reason why do I have to leave. I traveled to some places, and then I think about, is this a place for me to live for longer? Is it suitable for me? Am I comfortable in this place? It came out from my mind, and I don't know why it happened. Maybe, I don't know. And then 2 years after that, I got my trauma. At the time, I don't know why, since I got my trauma, I think about I have to move out. Maybe this is a sign that I have to leave. I don't know why, every time I travel, I have to feel the places, so I act like a local person in every places that I visited. And at that time, I found a place which I feel so comfortable. People who are living there are so kind, and I don't know why, every time I visited this place, I feel healed, like, wow, maybe this is a place for me to stay longer. I think about, maybe this is one of my choice to live. Other than that sign in my career, I think about, if you get that sign, not only you are not feeling comfortable in your place, there is also another things that you will feel that you are not growing there, because I also got bored in my work, and I felt that I was not growing at that time, because it's so exhausted, Suddenly you will feel like, oh, I think there are some point from myself that I have to upgrade. I also had feeling that I want to give my best until my last, and after that I try my best to love my people, my community, and love them. And every time you are with that person, make sure you show them you have the inner beauty, that it is real from you, because one day later, when you leave that person will remember your kindness. Because why? We need material, yes, we need money, yes, but people will remember us based on our kindness. To be honest, I'm an ambitious person because being ambitious is very good, but that's okay. At least I try my best. So during that year, I tried to find my reason to stay, and then I didn't find that reason. So I have to leave. I have to listen and being honest to myself. It is important before you leave your job. Make sure in your last year, at least in your last 6 months, you have to prepare yourself mentally, and you have to make your saving, because you have to predict that, oh, this much is enough for me for 1 year ahead, because you will never know what will happen in your next year. And then you have to forgive, because forgive is very good for you to continue your life, you know that. Make sure you leave your workplace peacefully and give them good impression. Because why? Because it is very important for your next career. Make schedule what you are going to do in that last year, and then make some plan what you are going to do after this. You have to make some list. Make more memories, because it is something that you will remember forever in your life, and you cannot buy it with money, how much it costs, because memory is very important.